Alright guys, we have changed and now we are going to a cooking class. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. My hat looks like a halo. Awesome. Hey guys, welcome back to World Joe Traveled. Today I'm so excited to share with you our cooking experience that we had in Rome. So I will also walk you through what to look for whenever you're booking a cooking experience and really just walk you through what you can expect. These really are such cultural immersion experiences, and I cannot recommend a cooking class in another foreign country enough. I promise you will love it.
My hand, and then I'm going to make my first volunteer. This side, full space. Second, volunteer, sir. This side, full space. It's going round a big circle. Now.
This is an art.
Side face. Roll wheel automatically giving this a go. Just aside. If you want, you can start writing your name on one of those labels. If you're not doing anything and you want to get done with that, write your name on a label, stick a label to gas so we know it's yours. Keep mine in here, so I know that's mine. Very good.
So depending on what country you're going to and what your food preferences are, you can generally find a cooking class that would fit that. So we did one years back in Florence, and it was a gelato and pizza making class, and we also took the kids and they loved it. This one was in Rome, and we opted to do a tiramisu and pasta class because Evan prefers white pasta sauce over red pasta sauce. So this gave us the option of both white and red. So that's why we selected this one. So I would definitely book this experience ahead of time, especially if you're with a large group. If there's only 2 or 3 of you, you can probably fit those in same day. How much do you want?
Make a hoe. Is that good? Okay.
All right, so what you guys can see us doing right now is we're actually making tiramisu, and we're learning how the Italians do it. So if you go to a cooking class, one of the coolest things is that they use the audience to make everything. So our individual pastas we made ourselves, but the tiramisu we worked together as a team. And I found that really fun and just such a great part of the cultural experience. So what you see us doing now is we're actually being taught how to make pasta the Italian way. So there was a chef that was actually teaching us, which I found super cool. For this class, we also did a fettuccine and ravioli pasta, and they both turned out to be delicious.
Alright. The moment of truth.
That's it, and then you go forward. That's it. Up, a little shake. Bravissimo. Wow.
Hey.
Oh, those guys are short. I'm glad I did it that way. That's it. Bravissimo. On this guy. Beautiful.
Big fitness. Okay, thank you.
That's it. You come on the stairs,
Okay. Here we go.
It's over here. Fan, air conditioning, air. It's so like stuff.
Well done.
You take a picture of me doing this.
When you're booking a cooking experience, the things that I would definitely look for would be the amount of reviews and then the star level on the reviews. People are very honest, so we booked ours through TripAdvisors or Viator. The other thing that you need to know is that pricing is going to vary quite a bit, and then the time commitment that is going to be spent on one of these experiences can be rather long. I think we spent around 4.5 hours at our cooking class. So if you're going to book one, just ensure you have enough time allocated to get there, as well as spend there. And then we had dinner at the end, so we got to eat everything that we made, and that took a little bit longer as well. We ended up just talking and chatting with the people that we met, and it turned out to be really, really cool. And we met a lot of neat people whenever we were there.
Our food's here. It's gonna be really good.
Food you made.
They cooked it in the kitchen for us. Yeah. Way on top.
So after our cooking class was over, we actually just went outside and sat around tables, and then we were brought our drinks, and we got to meet some really, really cool people that we had just cooked with.
That is a true mathematician.
Yeah, just to make sure was it yours? I think so. Yeah. It's a little bit like rectangular shape.
Mine are
Good.
more trapezoidal.
It's really good.
Kind of look like.
One of my favorite things about traveling is all the people that you meet and hearing their stories from all over the world, and that's what we got at this cooking class. So we got to meet some really cool people and just learn about their lives. Overall, I cannot recommend a cooking class enough. They're just really fun cultural experiences, and you get to meet cool people, and you just get to learn new things about the country that you're in. I will link the one that we did below. But yeah, that's all we've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for being here. And if you found this useful, please like, subscribe, share, and save. And you can catch up on the other videos from our channel here.